Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Also, for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2 Milford FC 0. Sanda wana kunjani?
Hi, Siapila njani?
Siapila, what's your name? Where do you come from?
NgiNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Oh, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi from Ezola. From Ezola. Yeah, from Ezola.
How do you feel about the game today?
Yeah, I came yona ibimnandi game kodwa hayi ngiyakhombisa ukuthi hayi kuse-early kakhulu. But the way Pirates edlala ngayo you must try to pull up our socks. So but the way abenza ngayo iSundowns ikhona ifikile impela.
From the game namhlanje ikuphi la uchazeke khona obona ukuthi iPirates iyaphusha khona?
Yeah, ku defensive yabo right impela. Yeah, defensive right. But phambili ayikho mnandi phambili. Umbuthuma 90 minutes 60 minutes nje.
Yeah.
Ayikho into ayenzile ngiboni kahle. But if bengapull up ama-socks hayi kuzoba nzima kakhulu.
I-midfield yona ibona njani?
I-midfield hayi suke ize nje ibasaba ngathi the way bize ngokudefend. Maybe sewumakoti ku-PSL but maybe the time goes on maybe bazoba nayo. But the way engibone ngayo hayi benza kahle i-midfield kodwa nje hayi ize nje izodefenda kahle yona.
As a Sandawana ucanga ukuthi le game le bozoyidlala kanjani wena against the-midfield?
Sundowns izoshaya 5 la Sundowns. Yeah, ngibonile ayibona phambili bayalekha kakhulu. Sundowns uyabona uyazi nawe Sundowns. As you know singama-champion. Yeah. Siyabonga kakhulu.
All the best Sandawana.
Siyabonga.
Danke.
Yebo.
No,